Hey everyone, I'm Bill.
And I'm Bogna.
We're with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to PCP Motorsports, where today we take delivery of Bogna's brand new bike. That's right, we're here. And of course, Chad, thank you. No, Chad's not in his office, but Chad, of course, hooked us up with an amazing deal. And well, we have the all-new 2021 Yamaha MT-09. We are not taking delivery of this bike. Not only are we not taking delivery of this bike because it's not an SP and we wanted an SP, we don't like it. But Chad let us know that they actually do now have a 2021 or 22 Yamaha R7. That's right, we have seen the all-new Yamaha R7 in person here at PCP Motorsports, but well, we're not buying that bike either because today we take delivery of Bogna's all-new 2021 KLX 140R. I don't know. Let's try to get some different lighting here, but I am completely against this decision. I have no part in this decision. She told me last night she found a couple of them on the internet and she said she wants one, and so now I have to apparently borrow my cousin's dirt bike because I refuse to buy a dirt bike, but
for now.
The little 125, we'll be screaming out on the dirt trails, so we're gonna get this thing loaded up on the truck. We've got some motorcycle errands to run today, but hopefully we'll get out on the dirt trail soon and give you guys the first ride on the all-new 2021 KLX 140R. 125cc motor, electric start, all the bells and whistles. Eddie, what can we do with this thing? What can we do with this thing? I think we got to change something. It's got to still stay green because of the seat, but I think we've got.
There's seats. There's options.
Eddie, you ready?
Exhaust for it too. Look at that.
All right, guys. Well, let's get out on the road and see how this thing handles the dirt. All right, guys, well, here we are on the top of Mount Vacaville. I guess that's what it's called. I'm not sure exactly what it's called, but Vacaville and Dixon is over here. Napa County's over here. San Francisco's over there. But, well, here we are with Bogna's all-new KLX 140R on our very first kind of off-road adventure. You've been using this out at the ranch. How's it been?
I love it.
Getting it. So a little bit of learning, but today...
A lot of learning, babe.
You guys will see we are up here with not only Bogna's new Kawasaki, but my borrowed, 100% borrowed. I am fully against this. My cousin's Kawasaki 450. Little run up and down the hill. But let's run to the little turnaround spot and see how you do on the KLX 140R. Welcome to the collection, and you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Let's roll. it got a little thick there at the end. It was definitely thick. Woo!
Sparkling Wiggles!
I think we're demonetized now. Maybe you can't say that. Anyways, well, here we are, and
I love it!
she loves it, so that's, I guess, what is important. But thank you guys for sticking around. All new to the collection, the KLX 140R. Bogna is going to have this out at the ranch, doing some practicing, little off-road, getting some wiggles. They say this is gets you a lot more confident on the road, so
That's the idea.
we'll see how that goes. But thank you guys for sticking around for another motorcycle added to the collection. And
Didn't see that coming, did you now?
I guess you guys didn't probably see that, but here it is. So we're gonna run back and forth up the hill a couple times, and then head on home, probably give them a little bath and tuck them away in the barn and say goodnight. But thank you guys again, and we'll see you guys next video. Bye guys.